Smith, right? Smith. Tumadaan lang. Backside 50-50. Force line, fake up.
Basic na basic ka.
Backside 5-0.
Yung nasa bank po, yung nasa bank.
Tabi po tayo dyan sa bank para pwede gamitin. Force line, push line, fake up. May nagkayod na.
Once up,
50-50.
40 seconds. 40 seconds.
Oh, 50-50. Next natin si Judith Santos.
30 seconds.
Oy, backside nose going left. 5-0. Backside 5-0. Kick flip
20 seconds. 20 seconds. Last two.
Last two, Arjun. Center last two, quick.